Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to easily have a moving text over your videos in CapCut. So first, you need to use a green screen background and then just add your text. Okay, I'm going to just add this text like this. Click on a check icon and export this project. After it finishes, you need to open it in a new project. So open the video that you just saved. Then go to the video effect. Click on the distortion category and then add the ripple distortion effect. Here you can adjust it to your liking, but I'm going to lower the sharpen and the blur to 0. And on the size, I'm going to go with 15, the speed 35, and then the twist, I'm going to lower it to 15 and intensity to 0. So it will move like this. Okay, now just click on a check icon and export it again. Okay, after it's done exporting, you can just open your project where you want to add the text. Add this video that you just saved as overlay. Okay, so I'm going to add the video that I saved as overlay. Click on add, and then to remove the green screen, just go to cutout, chroma key, drag the color picker to the green color and adjust the intensity and also shadow to 100. Click on the check icon and you are done. So this will be the result. So the text is moving slightly moving like this. So that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment and click on a thanks. Bye.